Okay. This is insert 1 to CO85270, take 1.
Where are we going? Insert. Insert what?
That's just, man, our code for the fade. You dig?
Okay. Are we going from the top or from the fade?
No, just the fade.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks for telling us, man.
Well, I told you when I was out there in stentorian tones.
What are you for lunch?
Just that little fade, and Bobby's going to play the harmonica on the fade. You know, right after he says wing, I think is his last one.
Tom?
Yeah.
I don't want to be above bass, but there's another spot there that you're going to hear when you start playing it back. Yeah.
What, in the fade?
No, before that.
Oh, I heard that. That's okay. Straight ahead.
I have no idea. I'm just gonna stand here and play the harmonica.
That's right. You cats just, hey, Greg, just set a tempo. You know where the chord is, Paul. And Dylan play the harmonica. Let's not make a big thing out of it. Insert 1, take 1, go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.